The shape I'm in, oh, the shapes I see, it's geometry. The shape I'm in, oh, the shapes I see, it's geometry.
When we talk about volume, we mean how much something can hold, how much of something an object can hold. So first, we could have a rectangular prism, such as a box. We could have a cylinder, such as a glass or even a Pringles can. Or we could have a sphere, such as the earth or a ball. Or we could have a cone, such as an ice cream cone. So in order to find the volume of an object, we always need to remember we need to take the base of the object and multiply it by the height of the object. So this is the basic formula for volume, base times height. The base can always be different. So in a rectangular prism, the base is a rectangle. So how do we find the area of a rectangle? We do the length times the width. But the base of a cylinder is a circle. So we do pi r squared, the radius squared times pi, in order to find the area of it and multiply that by the height of the cylinder. So take this glass for example. You see the glass and you see that it can hold a certain amount of water or a certain amount of a liquid. So here we have it filled with 1 cup of water. However, 1 cup does not fill the entire glass. So that's not the entire volume of the glass. In order to find the volume, we would need to fill the entire glass. So let's find the volume of the glass. We would want to multiply the base, the area of the base, which is a circle, and multiply it by the height of the glass, which you see there. Now, if I went on to this pasta box, this is a rectangular prism. So as we said, with the rectangular prism, we want to multiply the base times the height, which is the rectangle on the base times the height of the box. Well, since the rectangle on the bottom is simply length times width, the regular formula for the rectangular prism would be the volume equals the length times the width times the height, as you can see. By multiplying those 3 things together, those 3 units together, we can see how much pasta the entire box would hold. Not only can we find the volume of this pasta box or this glass and find out how much water it can hold, we can find the volume of various different things. We could find the volume of a cube and see how much weight or how many cubic units you could put into a cube of a certain size or a block. We could figure out how much mass the earth can hold, how much volume the earth has. We could also figure out how much ice cream we could put into an ice cream cone and level it off on the top. These are all different ways of measuring the volume of something, some sort of an object. So now that you've learned all about volume, go try and find out some volumes on your own and practice with this new information.